Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about IELTS. We will talk about what IELTS is and what it stands for and what are the different types of the IELTS test, and you will get an overall idea of what this test is about. IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System, and it is delivered by British Council and IDP Australia. There are two main types of the IELTS test. We have IELTS Academic and we have IELTS General Training. Now, IELTS Academic is for academic purposes, those who want to go for education or higher studies to English-speaking countries. IELTS General Training is for immigration purposes and for work permit. Those who want to live and work in English-speaking countries, they have to take the IELTS General Training test. We have 4 skills in IELTS: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Listening and speaking are the same in both IELTS Academic and IELTS General Training. The difference is in reading and writing section of the test. In the IELTS Academic test, the reading section is more academic, meaning that all the passages are about university subjects. But in general training, the concept of the reading is more general. It's about everyday life, social context, and about business. In IELTS Academic, the writing section is more about evaluating your ability to write academic articles. But in general training, you will have tasks that will evaluate your ability to understand and write about everyday topics and also about business situations. Now, the listening section is the same in IELTS Academic and IELTS General Training. You will have 40 minutes and you will have an audio that will be played. There are 4 parts and you have to answer some questions based on those audio bites. The speaking skill in IELTS Academic and General Training is also the same. You will have a face-to-face interview with a native speaker, and they will basically ask you some questions and they will evaluate your speaking based on a criteria that they have. In IELTS, we have a score of 1 to 9 bands. And basically, if you're an expert user of the language, you will get a band 9, and if you are a beginner, you will get a band 1, and everyone else is in between. Now, once you obtain your test results, the test results will be valid for 2 years. A band score is awarded per subtest. So, for example, for every section of the test, for example, for listening, for reading, writing, and speaking, for every one of them, you will get a score of 1 to 9, and then they will add all these scores and they will take the average score, and that will be your overall score for the IELTS test. Now, you have to remember that there is no passing or failing in IELTS test. It is based on the requirement of the universities. And most of the time, if you're going for bachelor degrees, then the requirement is between 5.5 to 6.5. And if you're going for masters, the requirement is between 6 to 7 band score. That is it for this video. See you in the next one.